second to pull the big gate. Hold on, my boss. They can pull the big gate. They can pull the big gate. Got you. Wait. The second to pull the big gate. You want pull the big gate. Wait now. Yo, we have to go back and pull the big gate. Yo, we have to go back and pull the big gate. Back off of the big gate. Yo, them people are not normal. Yo, we have to stop. Yo, watch out. Realize it. Judge, I know massive, me I tell us that this is like a day to remember in history. Lionel Messi, they are Jamaica massive. Alright, now they're on the outskirt of the National Stadium. I tell you, if you hear the sound and the roar them from inside the stadium, it's not normal. You understand? Yeah, we hear say Messi don't touch the pitch yet, but you don't do anything go. Yeah. You don't do outside, you have the food vendors, they about whole heap of jerk chicken. Me general I go and beat a jelly coke at that same speed. Big up my teacher. Respect and manners. See me move me over here so I sell same speed. Blessings. I'm Messi there Jamaica? No. I'm Messi. I say right now come like Jamaica lean on one side. You understand one of the greatest football like that history there that Jamaica right now. So if you alright, in general, I know one of the greatest football in history. You understand? Then at Jamaica right now. So if you're living in a 2025 and you don't experience this in a Jamaica, yo, and a normal thing. Messi, I'm a general, like goat. You understand? Me know say Cristiano Ronaldo massive, them a go feel away, you know, but you don't know a thing go big up to Christy same speed, but a Messi time, you know. You understand? Say Messi! Messi! Ah, me think nobody there gonna give me. It's a whole heap of fry. Oh, be a fry. You can't stay in the house and have to come out, go eat some of them fry and jerk chicken, a festival and beer things. Listen, say Messi.
Messi jerk chicken.
That is a Messi jerk chicken. Figure that. Oh, you mean, look over here, so festive. Messi right through the smoke. Yo, man, it's a Messi can, a Messi soup, everything and Lionel. What I say, everything Lionel Messi.
Messi.
That is it. Oh, you mean Messi can, Messi soup, everything. One Jamaica walk by, my friend. Easy, the man. Big up Paris. I just start work. I can't eat on the job. You understand? Me soon come out when me ease off on my foot them and go simmer down. See whole heap of jerk chicken and corn and soup for busting gas. Oh, you mean? You know me can't eat right and I want me to start show yet. Because me go there so I eat me probably now move because you amount of jerk chicken there they say don't take me till the morning if you don't eat. And festival, man. Big up on yourself. Hear that? One love. So massive, we are outside of the National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica, and Lionel Messi is out over there in the stadium. Big up to Calvalier, you don't know other team, Jamaica side. You know what I mean? Any side win tonight is a win. Good night, grandma. Blessings and love. Everything, Irie?
Want some of the money, man.
I hope you sell off tonight. See? Yeah, Godfather, manners and love. You hear that? No joke. So we outside, we just capture the vibe a bit. You know, we not show and we not narrate. We just go see what go on. On a night like this, the vibe outside of the National Stadium as we proceed inside of the National Stadium and all a vibe. You know, me have a ticket. Me try to get a bleachers ticket because even I get a bleachers manners. If I get a bleachers, I can't get to walk the place and see what go on the right way. Because we don't want to go over which part we have to go. Cube up and we can't move. Good night. Blessings, man. So, them say Jamaica lean on one side and now, because Messi over here and all the people them from all of Jamaica, they on one side. Good night. Manners. Yeah, so whole heap of selling, whole heap of food, whole heap of juice. They outside and the people them just have a nice vibe as we are going to proceed down at the gate. So, you don't know what's up on the outskirts today. You can see the parking lot full with vehicles. The stadium is ram-packed, ram-jam. Great vibe. General there, so I'm going to light up the oven. Because you don't know how money I have to make tonight, which is right? That is it, man. We don't come out here if you look and think and care about my food. Man come out here if you sell, make a money, feed them family, and that is it. You understand? Everybody merry. You see me? Whole heap of ladies outside same speed, you see me? So I'm going to just find out where you get a ticket and them thing there and going to the National Stadium. Big up and respect, see? Yeah, whole heap of food, whole heap of niceness on the outside, you see it? Yeah. Big up Mr. Officer, one love. Yeah, so let's see if we can make it in. Manners. Yeah, so right now as you can see the road block off to the entrance of the National Stadium, so we won't cause chaos and them thing there on the outskirt. Right, yeah, so you understand? Yeah, man. Yeah. So this is it, we're there at the gate, you know. Teach over here, so I sell all of the rag them. Say if you sweat, make sure so you see me, though. Right. Colors. Manners and respect the teacher. Yeah. So it's a vibe, it's a energy outside. Me I tell you, crazy and all heap of things are going. It's a great vibe. Me not tell you no joke. You understand? I don't know which one I style this, but it's bad. See? Oh, it's a phone card and thing. Yeah, watch a style. It's bad. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. So this is actually the gate of the National Stadium. You know what I mean? Cotton candy on the outside. Yeah, and support the locals them and get some of them thing here. All like foreigner them with flying feet, sample the what you call them again? Cotton candy. Yeah, man. Yeah, I hear what. If I see a man in a white shirt, I say, I know see a cleanliness, you know, him clean. You understand? Yeah. Where forward from the teacher? Manners and oh, right in front of stats. Big up all Kingston 13. You don't know what things say. Big up all respect. We outside the National Stadium gate. We just capture the vibe outside before we go up on the inside. Who you say I win tonight? You're not even saying Inter Milan and Messi. Yeah. So the greatest of all time say that Jamaica. So if you're alive in a 2025 and you know they are Kingston for Lionel Messi, something go wrong. Whole heap of beautiful ladies outside to look good, no man. Oh you mean? The vibe now. I be a dolly. Watch her man. Oh you mean? It's a great look. It's a great look. Yeah, so you don't know I have my ticket on my phone, so before I head in, I just see outside set up and show, no? So nobody can drive past you, so if you have to be police. So everybody stop and down that side, let me zoom it, and they barricade off and thing. So you have to find a place to park and then you walk up to the entrance, give them your card and all of them things there. Or your ticket and you get to go inside. You see me I say? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. So it's beautiful, no joke. You don't know where to video the ladies them because I don't want to see them that them come out and thing nicely done, you see it? Yeah. Whole heap of food, whole heap of juice, whole heap of everything. As the crowd just are pouring, the match just start. The match just start. You see me I say? So far me here say a quick goal score already, then say Calvalier score already. You understand? So on a normal thing. You understand? So see all the general in an Argentina shirt. We say one side, one Messi.
That is it.
Cheese and peas. We say to the end.
To the end.
To the end. So massive, if you come out, you can actually get your jersey. If you're a female or a man, you can get a jersey. For fit, you can get on. All sort of things to make sure say the night merry. You see me?
Yeah.
Yes, I. No joke. Yeah, man. It's a vibe, it's an energy, and we love it so far. Also, one thing with Jamaica massive, listen to me good. If you can't get ticket online, you have to just forward at the gate and you can get a ticket. No matter what. Them youths out at the gate are going to make sure so you can get a ticket. So if you don't have no internet a country, just forward same way. You'll get a ticket, same speed at the gate. You don't have to worry. Just forward the money, you probably get it all at a discounted rate. You understand? Everything got to go tonight. So all I ticket them have to sell. You see me? Right. No joke. Me teacher manners, you know. Yeah. So, outside with it, look good. So guess what, me know? We are going to make our way on the inside to make us see how inside the stadium look. I said the stadium park. Me rate that style. It's a phone card and thing. Yo, he's a marketing genius. Touch me. Big up and respect. You believe in your thing. I want what you said. Right, and now see the all different kind of juice.
I have natural juice, I have June plum, I have carrot, I have beetroots.
You have more? You have more, because this not going away now. You have to have more.
Tell us, they full up in a cut them.
Nah, man, this not going away, man. This is all done quick, man. Nah, man, see me feeding that. Yeah, but... Oh, you can yourself and respect, but easy. But see that bucket we are going to video for them. You see me, I say, yeah. But as I respect the teacher. So all my Jamaica walk by massive. We are going to touch inside of the place. Big up to all of my Jamaicans, them, my general, them, all of the ladies, them. Make it on the inside right about now. You understand? Yeah, let's go. Alright, so this is how you enter. So guess what? My ticket up on my phone. So make we open it up the right way and things. So yeah, this is how a ticket look like on the phone. Man. Alright, make we go through.
1.5 for the Messi Dali them.
GSL Messi Dali.
Big up Cavalier.
Right now Jamaica they on one side a lean.
1.5 for the Messi action figures.
Alright, so we'll make it inside.
If a Cavalier will see me. Daddy, you buy one for them?
Revenue Mataran. Revenue Mataran. Get your face right.
Yow. All this all my teacher big up and respect man there. Yeah. So you don't know, right? So now you get a quick search. You have to get a quick search, a quick pat down to make sure you say no car, no weapon. And thing if there's a license fire or holder, you have to declare it. Or you lock it up in your car because that even that them no want. You understand? Yes. No joke, no doubt as we go through. Alright then, man. Yeah man, see ya. So quick little search. Sorry. Problem with that. Respect. Check back. Yeah man, you can open it.
No, you open it. You open it again.
Show me have a camera. Yeah, I mean, I give you permission to pull it, man. You can pull it, man, and look, man. No problem with that.
Go ahead.
Alright, respect and manners. Alright, so you don't know Mr. Officer, good youth. G said me if you open it because him don't want to touch it. I must say I give him permission for open it, man, and look. I don't know me a film, so I want the thing go smooth. We don't have nothing illegal or nothing to harm the body and things, so might as well me just make him deal with it. Alright, so back to the program. We're inside of the National Stadium and we are walking to where you go display your ticket to get inside of the venue officially. Even though we are on the inside, we are not in the venue where the match are going, which is the National Stadium. So still on this side out here, man, them a beat some jerk chicken right here, so festival, CM Speed, big up my teacher. Respect, you don't know manners and respect. Hope everything sell off in the night, you hear that? No joke. See all the girl have video, go and video me and big up yourself. Jamaica walk by, me have to promote me things same way. Respect. Yeah. So on the inside, same way you have juice and water sell, and everybody will have vibe and energy, same speed, same way. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oi. Teacher, I'm gonna know so that one you have him. Make you go on. Gee, that play big up to that teacher, you mean? You say tonight at the night. Eh? Watch it dog. Yes sir. But we're up on the inside, you know what I mean? I say Jamaica full of dolly, so you have to know the chap go as we there in. So where I go? Which are the ticket there? Martin. Yo, Gino Lego, you know? Oi! He dog the Lego of it! Oh man! Alright, make a find out here now. Yeah. Yo, whoa. Alright, so we are trying to find a way to where the ticket them for going. So you have grandstand right also. Grandstand, VIP entrance right there. So which part the bleachers fan? Oh, down that side there. We don't want to go that side there. We want to go the bleachers to chat. Whole heap of people are there. And where real vibes are there. You see me? Yeah. That's the part that we are go. Yeah, we are got a real spot. Yeah man, so don't go and walk with me, I could do it like this. Mama here again. Youth. Yeah, we are someone. How we bleach outside? Then put it blow. Wow. Yo, me I wonder what I go on right so you know. And what do you do so? At the bleachers entrance that? Judge, I saw the crowd stay here so. Oh what? I walk one. We can't reach in. No, I'm gonna reach in tonight. Yo! Massive look on the crowd. Not reaching tonight. It need my move. It look like he get locked. He get up yet. Christ. Then I pull the gate yet. Man, what other spot must be there for go in? That's our premium bleachers. What is? Hold on, me ask a security. Are the regular bleachers?
Yeah, man, the regular red.
So, what when I see it move, gate not open. That means by the time that free up the match not done, man. A joke this. So, massive. It even look like it a move. It not even look like it a move. Child, no. To be honest with you, the Vibes Cartel show that was easier to get in and out of. I don't know how this is going to go. Cha.
Yeah, so?
I didn't even see it move. Yo, I don't see it. So these are the only, I can't the only entrance you see. So it look like the stadium rampack. So the guy they sell way more ticket than where stadium can hold because nobody now move. So it get no fly. Because them not letting nobody and see up there so full a lock too. So I wonder if the stadium reach capacity. Jesus Christ.
Stadium have Jamaica.
How is stadium the full?
Your pussy club.
So them not letting nobody. So the problem is I don't know people outside and I hear bass screaming and bass not going inside so. And them not letting nobody right now. So I don't know what go on. You understand? See that nobody now go in so I can't tell her what the problem I know. Just kick off. No, I do another one on this. You just let me do another one. No, me I said them not letting nobody. So we are there trying to figure out what go on. Because them not letting nobody.
If them organized from there, this would have opened the gate. Them just open the gate better and keep them going through.
But my teacher, almost everybody has to have them tickets. So, what the problem I know? We don't know what go on. Inside the fault from the teacher? Oh, they say gate now open.
But I never let a baby back chatting and yapping and yapping.
But I don't understand how I go on now. So so my thing is I want bleachers entrance, want the rest aside them.
I wonder one bleachers and say too cheap.
I go see all.
I look.
I see man I jump it down, that's still in a brother. So what does that mean here that nobody knows? So people they must start riot now.
Where's it called?
I better upgrade the ticket.
So right now things set away, bro. So right now we outside, nobody can know what's happening more than them just stop letting people. So then just stop letting people. So everybody just a look what go on. Only thing we see are going, I think we see premium bleachers are going. So I don't know what, and them not really say anything. So everybody asks everybody what on the outside what is going on. You see me? Jesus Christ.
Okay, so jump up and we can't go in.
Peace. But I don't know what go on, brother.
Right, the man never start, they really push it.
Then at that, because they can't take on everybody. Right now is a sticky situation. How it? So, right now we set away, brother. So look what is happening on the outside if you're just joining. So this is it now, people frustrated because guess what now? After all of the traffic there, and you finally reach, you end up have traffic right now Right here, so now, if you go inside, they can't even get in. You see me, I say? So this will create a big problem, you know. Them not let in nobody. And almost, well, if not everybody here, so P already. You see me? So, man, them get mad now because of half time and you can't get in and you're there. And people pay them money for them ticket. And you can't go in. Cheese and peace. In and out, man.
I know this is not possible at all.
Yo, a stampede this year now, careful.
Watch out. Let me see if we can make it in from the side here. Tear down the gate, stampede. Push down everybody, go through. People them pay them money and them say them nah make the match done. And then they get peace I game. Man, them pay them money and say them have to get in, bro.
Man, them come on the bumbo.
You get hurt? Shit. Man, them tear it down and push everybody. I say inside, I forget peace I game because them pay them money. That was crazy, bro. Oh my word. Man, them said them pay them money, brother. And the game almost done. And them not get in. Look good. Police them off the back way. So guess what them do, you know? So them lock the door. So them lock the door, that's so you know. So, but me not understand how I go on. So them lock this door, you know. Me not understand, sir. as to actually what is going on. People them want to get in. Oh my God. But this is crazy though. So why actually book so much tickets and full the stadium over capacity and so much people can't get in and then buy them tickets? I don't understand that. So when I realize the stadium full around them lucky gate and I say nobody can come in. After people them still buy them ticket and tickets still a sell. I don't understand. No sir. Man them lock all the gate bro. And I say yo people will still buy ticket but you can't come in. I don't understand. So all this are going on. So you know say people them must start jump all them. I want them you know. They have all one security up so what's the security gonna do? Yo, I meet her, can buy my ticket, you know? So I don't know. Watch your step, watch your step. See there? So look what I go on now. So after you make it for the inside around, they lock the main entrance them. And all of them people are people who get searched, you know. You get searched and you pay for your ticket. See the main gate lock. I don't understand what kind of slackness this. See there? See there? They lock the main gate. So all of them people you know still can't come in. Huh? Security.
If they jump it, they jump it and the police and not jump it.
Yeah, so all the money I go back for ticket them where people them wanna get to them.
Simple thing, you just show tickets and just come in.
But everybody has show a ticket. Alright, him say line. Alright. Not push it, not do it hardly. The man said that's why everybody will show a ticket and they must see it. So you can't push. Can't push. Don't push. Alright. Security, majority of them are people have ticket. Almost everybody have ticket. Alright, himself dress back, say gate can pull. Just dress back. Yeah, dress back. Security, come here, man. Want the gate to pull. Like, security want right or something. I thought you want dress back. I want the gate to pull.
To my friend.
You ready? Watch yourself. Watch it. Big boss. Dress back. Look at her, please. Yeah. See color, man. Alright, so what I want to know? Hold on, make him pass.
Where you go? Yo,
what you have on the ticket? Big up all over massive, all Davis massive. Hold on, please. Yeah. Yo, we have to take time. If we don't take time, it now go pull. Yeah, if we push, it now go pull. Let's hold on.
Yeah, but the gate.
Who says so?
The gate.
Who says so? Nobody now cost. Them say you present the ticket and them go in. What them I say you know? Everybody have their ticket. So what them I say you know? The teacher, what them I say you know? Godfather, bro, what am I saying now?
Check with the supervisor first.
security, I buy people buy them tickets.
Then them 4 times people buy them tickets and them reach fucking gate down the
Alright, so hear that? People that now go work with that, bro. Go on them thing they go on. People that want to get in. Yo, just let in the people there. Let in the people there. Fly again. Hold on, wait. Hold on. Yo, no pushing, please. Get hurt, brother. And now with man brush his teeth, you'll get hurt, bro. Yo, please, not pushing, bro. People get hurt down the side, no. Come here. You understand? People get hurt down the side. I could not do it, sir. It's a crazy one. No, don't go there. Make it get full first. Wait. No, hold on, wait. Stop. Hold on, teacher. Stop. 1 second. Easy. Yo, baby, organize. Yo, take on the time, my bro. Yo. No, wait, no. Yo, who want to put the big gear? Stop. They can pull the big gate. That's true. Wait. The security want to pull the big gate. You want to pull the big gate. Wait now. Yo, we have to go back and pull the big gate. Back off of the big gate. Yo, them people are not normal. Yo, we have to stop. Yo, watch out. Realize it. Listen up. Yo, stop. Yo, stop. Listen, stop. Hold it. Yo, you want to put the big gate and now move. Listen up. Hold it. They want to put the big gate and stop. They pull the big gate. Just stop. Stop. Let them pull the big gate. Just stop. Yeah, man. No, man, they understand now. Let them pull the big gate. Yo. Security, my bro. Yeah, they must win. Yo, I'm gonna just stop that. Yo, just stop. Alright, stop. No, it's alright. Yo, that's easy. Yo, just stop now. They can't just stop for 1 second. Wait now. Hold on. Yo, just hold on. I can't. Yo, bro, you know, say any windows, then just stop and then pull up whole again, then everybody go in. But nobody not believe in our way. Jump. No. Come on down. Yo, watch out. watch out, baby, watch it. I'm up this moment. I'm up this. Yo, all these people don't organize. I'm sorry. Watch out. Y'all good, yo. Make your number 1 rating. See, you big up yourself. Y'all good, yo. Good job. You hear that? They not understand that even they see, yo, people get hurt down the center.
We can't do about this. We can't do about this.
Me see a girl and tear off on the fence. I don't show me a video, I don't want a video. You understand? Because you know them things they go. Yeah, take on the time, take on the time. Alright, we are going now. Take on the time, take on the time. Yo, take on the time. Make a piece, alright. Now go through, man. Now go through. Go over. I make you go through. Voila.
Yeah, that was my control. That's a full lot.
I beg a squeeze back. Look at this crazy.
Watch out.
Yo! The hardest battle that me ever go through in my life. Yo! Bro! They make it the invitation. Yo, we are come out of the hotspot. We are both from the entrance. Over there, have to take a rest. Boom, boom. Yo, massive. We make it inside. Oh my. They make it on the inside. Oh my word. My friend, they make it. So we're on the inside now. Oh my word. And this is what see enough space inside still in but the stadium ram to capacity. Jaja. Oh no. Alright, so you don't know. That was an epic part. We are gonna try a video from an angle of the match. What left. So let's see what go on. Big up on the damn self.
Big up, Vino.
Why your Instagram?
Vino. No, I don't want to go on Instagram. Because Indians them money. Indians use my voice and not pay me. Chad along. Right.
Say now, shout out, we can shout out the TikTok, the Instagram.
No, I don't have the TikTok, sir.
Here, Anna. Big up yourself. Yo, yeah, me teach how TikTok go. Big up and respect. See there? No, man, we not come up with video message, we come up with video with Jamaican there. And the vibe, the energy. We nearly dead to make it in.
What your favorite Miami player?
Eh?
What your favorite Chamberlain?
The greatest ball of us all times.
Who that?
One Messi. One Messi. Me not business. Yo, from out the gate, me tell us all like Kingston upon the massive them go cost me, but I Messi miss a long time.
Yeah. I understand still, but I Messi me bring still in it.
Hold on,
I'm a great fan in it.
So they go over there, so see that one of the up there up on the wall?
Yeah.
We say one goat.
Yeah.
See it now, you zoom in on that and tell me what you see.
Look,
Suarez.
Oh,
But a general that too. Remember say Inter Milan have one star, you know.
Benzema bring some.
Benzema. Man, respect me teacher. Outside. So the vibe and energy inside of the National Stadium is just like no. See a real Barcelona man, yeah man. You know what I mean? Whole heap of real Messi fans. There. Oh my word. Boy. So right now, the teacher, Messi touch you feel it? Let me see. Oh yeah. Alright, no problem man, no problem.
Can't block up the way.
Alright, so now go up on the other side to the side of the pitch where we can get to zoom in on the field a little bit and capture some of the ball game. It's currently half time, you know, massive to tell you the God truth, and on a see what going to enter the whole event. You understand? A war, we have a war if we get in, I want to see it. So it was crazy. The stadium is ram-packed. You understand? So, yeah. I still one love it there? Still one love? Alright, man. So we are up on the other side. Yes, alright, I know the game hot. Look on the National Stadium. So listen me, all I must say them we are watching, you're not yet subscribed. Please, may I beg you subscribe to this. One Jamaica walk by easy on my teacher. Respect a man. Yo, bomba, you play ball dog. Yo, me not make no money later. Big up yourself, my teacher, outside. Yeah, massive mad. That listen things. You know we go. Yeah. Massive stadium rampart. Yeah, my teacher, you make it. Big up you. Take it inside. Alright, we are trying to catch his side. Auntie. Yeah. Man. So I'm going to make a catch me inside football. The vibe in the stadium, lit! I would have meant that! Big up the teacher, all is well. That is it. I would have custom. Big up the teacher, pulling over. Big up Peter. Cisco, big up Cisco, go back there. Wickedest thing by wicked man. But they say, yo, what's that? If you have a Cisco, there's a number 9, I kill them out there. So massive is a vibe, is a energy. How we are hold it right so? The vibe in the stadium is just epic, it's just nah, yo. Papi, we couldn't make it in. Messi would not bring. I can't Valier. I'm about to see. Yeah, that did it.
Very patriotic in Jamaica. Doesn't matter your who. We respect your talent, but in Jamaica, we're very patriotic. We love our team, we love our side, we love our people. Think of that. How about to respect everybody else? Big up everybody else in the world from all nations. They don't know the thing, but my yard man. Room.
DJ Menta. Hey, yo, make we see how the match are going. I think no joke, no doubt, baby, I tell you. So let's enjoy some of the ball game right now. Anthony Messi. What's a ball? Yo, the man goes Number 5. I'm going to get cleared more in. One and number
Pasha! These are 16 Pro Max.
Yo, we are going to walk, you know.
Bugger. What do you say? Huh? Because I thought that thing is serious, you know. Yeah.
Yes, as people starting. Yes, as the patron them make them way out of the stadium, I tell you. The match never finished yet, but you don't know Cavalier leading 1-0 and you don't know about 5 minutes left to go in the football game, in the football match. And let's see if a last minute.
Yeah, massive, it was a great night. So there you have it. You know what I mean? We have to make a way out of the stadium. You know, we have to wait a little bit as the crowd pass through. Because when we go through to get in, we couldn't go through that to get out. You understand? So yeah, massive big up to everybody who support Jamaica walk by. You know what I mean? It was a great game. You understand? As the one you can see, a serious piece of vibe to get in at the studio and things, you see me? So yeah man, no joke, no doubt. Oh my, so blessings and respect to all my Jamaica Walk By Massive. I swear. You understand? It was so chaotic to get inside of the venue and all of that. I tell her, say, my girl broke her hand. I see her youth foot, the ankle, report. I don't know how it go. You see me? As we're up on the outside, we're up on the outskirt. You see me? People everywhere trying to make them way home, you know, and things. So big up to everybody. We're not done it. We're just gonna make it go straight outside. You know what I mean? Go see the ambience on the outside as we leave. You see me? Oh my God! Big up to the security guard. We bust the whole crowd and thing. Organize something so people can actually get inside. You see me? I say, yeah, our ladies are out. Our beautiful ladies. You know what I mean? Same way, you know, we have to capture them same speed. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Yeah, man. So again, we're there. It's all love and respect for tonight. No, Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, big up. Maybe get one subscribe to the channel, same speed here.
What name?
Jamaica Walk By.
Bye.
Yeah, BY that BY. Right. Yeah, big up and respect. You want to give me a shout out?
No, man.
You're not afraid of camera. Come and give you.
You don't afraid of
no camera. What's your Instagram? Why your Instagram? You dep on TikTok too? What's your one? What's your one?
Yeah.
Look how you come out. Yeah, oh my word. I saw much. I saw you blessed. On our family. Oh, big up on yourself and respect here. It's Jamaica Walk By here. So, I remember beautiful ladies in the shy. See? That is it. You don't sing? You have one voice, you see? Yeah. You hear it, doesn't it? Oh, you have to sit. See it? You go on. Yeah, man. So it's a vibe, it's an energy here. Until the Messi finally score and thing. You know what I mean? So you probably see that up on camera when Messi score and thing. It was a great and it was super good to capture the goal in Jamaica by the great Messi. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Yeah, man, as we make our way outside, it has been great. Oh my word. So, big up to all my members. You know what I mean? I want to say big up to all my members on Jamaica Walk By. I super appreciate every one of you. I wanted to do something special today, but based on the magnitude of the event and how chaotic it was, I couldn't even get to do it. But I'm going to do it in another video coming up. I now say what it is, but please, I'm asking you to subscribe for membership on Jamaica Walk By. You know what I mean? It's just $1. I say $2. Yeah, $2 to be a member of Jamaica Walk By for special perks. You know what I mean? Different kind of shout out and just to support Jamaica Walk By on a whole. You see me? Yeah, but big man thing, Jamaica, we have to go deal with the stadium settings because the selling of tickets and then locking gates and all them things that to make people can't come in. Yeah, that's a big no. That not gonna work. You understand? Yeah, that can't work. So make people get hurt out here. So today trying to get in as the crowd stampede. You see me? Yeah, so that not gonna work. So it was crazy. It was a crazy day. You know what I mean? And the crowd are lead out, you know. Whoa, yo. Epic video. I tell you. Words can't explain what it was to get in to the game. You know what I mean? If the people them never go on bad and bust down the gate, they wouldn't make it in. You see me? So, go on. If this is the bus, they want to catch the players them as them come out. So people them want to catch. And if an autograph is a video. So, but honestly not sure if he's going to come out and go in at the bus right now. Nobody no know. But I don't feel like right now it a go to tell her the God truth. Yeah man. So big up to everybody who actually like the video. If you look on the video and you see 5,000 likes, please may I beg you, press the like button and like the video. You understand? Please may I beg you now. If you now watch the video and you're not yet like, please may I beg you, like the video. No, Drew. It's a long time to see the man. Yeah, man. Today I go and do some video thing, you see me? You feel like Messi I go come out right now?
What do you must come out yesterday? I'm going to yesterday.
The bus probably drive go in. And that me I tell them, man.
See, you think go out there, never see bus go in there, supposed.
Yeah, so we would have really love to see the LIONEL Messi. See, they look like him a bus the gate. See there? Look like him a bus. The gate up there for the bus. Go in. You see me? We'd have really love to get a nice close-up of Messi going inside of the bus. You see me? Are the goat? So if you don't understand what this video is about, it's about the whole vibe, the energy, every little thing of what is going on the outside and inside and from the ear and all of them things. You see me? Yeah, man. So me I really love to see Messi come out still, but I highly doubt we are gonna get that chance there right now. You see me? Alright, so make us see if we can. Sure.
Actually, don't care if you
So let's see. Oh, what a vibe. Can't explain what it was to get inside of the event. Remember, we're not done yet. We just capture the vibe and thing. We might go on the outside a little bit. Because we know some Messi now going to come out right now. I'm sure about that. You understand? We're to see them warm up and a stretch. So, let us see if we can do that. Big up and respect. Hear that? Man. So, let's do this. LIONEL Messi. One Jamaica walk by, big up and respect, man. Heart of love. Soldier, tell all of your grandkids them so you see Messi scoring at Jamaica. You understand? Yeah, I'm glad to me get to capture it. It's a blessing. What about from? Portmore. You travel? Oh, from longer time. Easy. Different. I will vibe me capture a while ago. Listen, you did in there from there? Inside I see them. That means you need to see that video to actually see what happened outside. Oh my God, man. Heart I love, man. What there? I mean, I love to see Messi. Hey, I love them from the head. They don't push out yet, but I love. I highly doubt him will come out so quick. And that's the thing. I make a crowd run off our people gone and all them things there. And see him not come out yet. But I love to see him still, but it go sticky. It go sticky. I make we see what go on massive. No joke, no doubt. And thank you for the support again, Elbow Bunks. Zin? Blessings to all you and your family and everybody if you watch Jamaica walk by. Sin? One love. Yeah, man, say big up to all my subscribers and all my persons them we've been. What the man name again? Michael. More big up Michael right now and all Portmore massive where I watch Jamaica walk by and things. You see me I say? Yeah. So big up to all my supporters them. You see me? Special big up to my subscribers. You know what I mean? Special big up to my subscribers who make Jamaica walk by what it is, and the members them will actually pay for membership a month time. You see me? Yeah, I super duper appreciate every single one of you. You see me? Yeah, as we make our way on the outside, I know a time now for people eat them food, a time now for people drink them liquor, drink them juice, hold back a vibe. The peace officers them can get a little rest now because they've been at it from a longer time and sitting. Surprised that I don't see much YouTubers and things out here. I don't see much video camera or anything, so I hope say the people them get to see the video here and enjoy it and see the whole vibe, the entire energy of what happened and what it takes to get into the National Stadium. I tell you. Yeah, man. So you know, so out as a crowd there now, so the next problem now gonna be the traffic and thing to go home. You see me I say? So I want to know how it go. Sorry, my G. Yeah. Cause a crazy thing to go home now. Me not go left yet because me can't do the traffic here. None at all. You get out. Look what I go on. Teacher. Oh, this is called the DJI Osmo. So this is the camera and this is the display. But it also have a small display on it as well. Me do it this way. So we can have a bigger screen.
Come on, I'm going to water one.
See the bigger that is it. Me always, yeah, Jamaica walk by, YouTuber content creator. Jamaica walk by.
You're serious?
Oh, what a go on. So me there with my general. What's a real name when me can't wait? Brady. Yeah. So big up to Mr. Brady and the whole Waterground crew here and see him. See the man here. Yeah, you know what I mean? So all them supporters them can see him and say, yo, Waterground for Waterground. Mad love and respect, you hear that? Yeah, but me that look for a more bigger man we do that because that they show them been ground for a very long time. So me that one that say, me that say for 08, so me that look for a bigger man. But ayo.
That team I will stay, but I mean,
yeah. Clean. Yeah, man, I like
someone like you like link up back with them.
Jamaica walk by, man. Me dep on all platform and things. So if you do Instagram, just shoot me a message and we can connect this up. Because you know me not gonna give out the thing them for a while. Because you know me not top recording them, me work hard straight. So we have to capture the real vibe. So when they see me on your reason, most are on a planting. Right, I mean that. See?
Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by. Please, don't forget now, you know.
No, I can't forget that.
Me gonna find you. Say name on Instagram though. Waterground.
Waterground, yeah.
Bad love, bad respect. You hear that? Now shout your message to see. Heart love. Yeah, man. I'm going to send you the info and I'll link them to it so you can see it. Alright, cool. Yeah, so right on the outskirt, you know what I mean? Crazy chicken, crazy vibe. Big up to Waterground, you know what I mean? Waterground pan Waterground and all the CVM massive. No joke. Yeah. So make we go through and think. Ready swims. Soup, the whole works are going right now. And whole heap of dolly. Yeah, man, big up to Jamaica in 10. Please, massive, if you're watching, please subscribe to my spouse channel, Jamaica in 10. See? Where you can get the natural facts and the real facts about Jamaica. Nice, sweet and spicy in a 10 minutes. You see me? So look on the energy while going outside of the stadium. It's just crazy. The energy, the vibe of the jerk chicken, the people them are show some love to them one another. Yo, can, Supercell, everything. It's beautiful. Loads are beautiful. They big up my teacher on the Austin, same speed. Enough vibes. Big up to all of my brother them outside. You know what I mean? Loads of fashion too. What you mean? Just a sweet piece of energy, may I tell you, as we make our way up on the outskirts of the National Stadium. One love again. It's all blessings, it's all big up. And I super appreciate everybody for watching this video. And when the video done, you don't know, go ahead and watch another video. Or just make sure say you comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. You understand? Please, if you watch the video and you don't see 5,000 likes on the video, please may I beg if you drop your like. And if you like it already, super appreciate it. If you comment already, super appreciate it. Just get another account you know, or share it to your Facebook. Please may I beg you share it to your Facebook page. And we're good to go. So please, may I beg each and every one of you to share this video on your Facebook page and let's be a part of history. You see me? Yeah, man. Outside. Yo, my boss again. You're on the work, boy. I'll know me still a record. It's a tape. Yeah. Big up always. Which official this you know? Prime Minister. Oh, Prime Minister and the crew. So me not get interviewed. Me a Messi fan. What? Me not get interviewed. Me not understand. Through me a record. Through it a tape. Yeah, so this is the Prime Minister entourage heading outside of the stadium and thing. Man, them dep on them intercom and crazy thing. Yeah, man. Yeah, Messi fan, you not give me no. Make the Prime Minister go through and then we do it. Oh, you mean? So, massive, you don't know what day we are going to do a look. Me not cut in, alright? That's how we are doing it same way. You see me ready? So, me I get the mic though. Alright. You want me? Oh, the light? Alright. Oh, you mean? Yeah, man, in video everything, man. I'm a Messi fan, yeah, man.
She a Messi fan.
One Leo.
Alright, I'm going to do it and then you do it after. You know, mind? Yeah, man. You got to say what you want to say, so?
No, man, I got you.
You ask me.
Ready, hold on.
Alright.
Now, you were a Christian. I was video.
Look at you. No, don't worry.
Oh, don't worry. Alright, yeah.
Cavaliers, I feel to know that Messi play on Jamaica.
Yeah, man, it's a great feeling, man. Trust me, you know, so we have to go live to tell our grandkids that we experienced the greatest ball of all times play upon Jamaica side. And guess what? Him score. Yeah, man, it's a great feeling. Trust me. No joke.
Good, that's it.
That's it. Alright, see there? Easily. You clear and thing? Yeah, man, give him a talk. So yeah, you don't know, say I made that. We not cut it. We are record straight. Outside.
What girl? Come if you come, man.
What a vibe it has been. So as people just a room outside. In them numbers, people roaming outside. Traffic is going to be ridiculous right now, so you know, say, I'm well prepared not to leave right now until it brush off. So again, heart of love to Miss Kadeen Sterling. I'm gonna take up my phone and I'm gonna give a big shout out to some people. You know what I mean? I wanted to do something special, but I don't get to do it based on all the things is just start off. I may have to move. But yeah, outside park. Outside pack, people are buy, people are eat, the traffic just a start flow and be things. Loads are beautiful ladies up on the outside. You mean? One Jamaica, we have them loads, not them numbers. Yeah, man.
ready.
outside. So again, big up, respect. You know what I mean? Me call some name off at the top of my head. Big up to Kadeem Sterling. I want to big up to Hill. You don't know Mine of Jason, big up yourself. You don't know Orient Feast, Freestyle, Jason and Gina. Art I love, big up and respect. I want to big up to, you don't know, Freedom Earners. I want to big up to Miss Jacqueline. I want to big up to Mitzi. You know what I mean? I want to big up to Jaden, big up to me G. Jaden, you know what I mean? My members, I don't know, pretty much everybody will support Jamaica walk by, is it? Outside. So you have such is everything. One Jamaica walk by, me teacher. Me a tape.
Short man. Yo. Short boss. Yo.
It's a record.
Come on, sir.
It's a tape.
Come on, country.
Me a pen. Then I will place, man. One Jamaica walk by, me teacher. Art I love.
One shot, boss.
Big up and respect, man. It's a record.
Yeah, man, I stadium with them, man. Yeah, national stadium. Oh, I know if I'm Clarendon enough.
Yeah, man, I'm a place.
I want to come and shut all about.
I am Western Park, one of them places. I mean, Harris Street.
Before you just a boss, you know.
Yeah.
I know you know.
Lionel Messi are the greatest thing. One triple E.
You don't see man fall by Jamaica side can score.
Exactly. Lionel Messi are the greatest.
Yeah.
You walk out the whole of Jamaica.
I love me a deal, you know, if you're not broke with love, it don't make no sense. Yeah.
You park all your car.
I walk.
Along a maple.
Anyway.
Banglendo Road.
Yeah, roadside.
Someone have a banana. Big banana.
Yo, you watch your channel, you know? Big up my teacher, Art, I love hear that.
You come up a farmer now.
Boy, I want forward up there, no?
Yeah.
I swear, but me have got link, yo, me have got Jamaica walk by, link me on the gram, no, man, so me and you can chat. Alright. Yeah, man, that from farm, it's really good to talk to somebody from farm in a embed to make a roll through a farm, you see it? Yeah. So yeah, on a sea vibe, bikers outside, big up. Man. Yeah, whoa, juicy jerk chicken. Massive, me say me don't want to lock off the camera, bro. The way the vibe nice out here, I don't want to lock off the camera. It does a record straight. You see me? Let me vibe and energy. Massive, if you're not there in Jamaica right now, trust me, you don't understand the feel of the energy, the presence. It's a great feeling. I tell you. You see me? So, blessings and respect. We know we're not going to get to catch Messi because you don't know. They're not going to let him out for now until the place are empty down and sitting. So, I wish I could have wait for that. I probably just turn off the camera and go down there and go wait to see if I can get to catch him on the outskirts. You see me I say? Yeah. But so far, see it, I feel good. I feel good to experience this. I swear. Yeah, man. Art of love to everybody, man. Mad respect, mad love. Let me take a peek down here so again to see if I can. Let's take a peek. I want to see if I can see him bus. Alright. So let's make it place just vibes. Yeah man, I know say when you can hear it in my voice, I'm happy. I'm feel good, I have all the energy, whole heap of great vibe I go on. Even the breeze on the outside nice. Yeah man. So big up and respect, super appreciate every single one I know. Art I love. That is it. If me can get to go back over the stadium to see if me can catch when Messi come out, the video now go down here, so we're not going to see one next to part. So let's find out. But for now, Art I love, one love. That is it. One Jamaica walk by. Big up short boss. Big up and respect. All I me pen Jenna them. Remember good no man? Down on me pen. That is it. Humble lion. See them man they attack.
Yeah.
That is it, my boss. Outside, humble lion, big side. Oh, you mean? We're there. Mad thing.
And the top 3 associations. Plus. And the South
I know you know. I follow you up on Instagram and Jamaica walk by. Big up yourself, man. Me love what you did over there in Africa. Mad respect. Good to see you in person too. Yeah. Please, Jamaica. That's what I'm saying. I love it. So great to actually see somebody that I actually support on the gram.
Absolutely. Good stuff.
Why you look so? No, you look like a little girl. No. It's true. Me actually a record guy tape.
Okay.
Gaza no.
That's it.
Big up and respect, yeah? I love. Oh my word. Huh? It draw 1-1. Yeah man.
Them are come play.
Eh?
Where them up play next?
Boy, I'm not sure enough. Tell a God truth.
Messi drive you?
Yeah man, Messi end up score right for about 2 minutes before the game though. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah. Boy, I'm not tell a lie, whole stadium a care Messi and them a cheer for Cavalier. Maybe if I want the other side, we could have get to cheer for one. But right now, cause like nobody no lose. I swear that if Messi, if them shift for youth, it's crowd make nice. And if Cavalier shift somebody crowd make Cavalier score be nice. And when Messi score, it's stadium mash up. So everybody a cheer for 2 sides, so it make it think complicated, brother, and just confuse the relationship. Yeah. So, see the answer me that I do the video, I still do the video. So, yeah, I still I try to look at me see. Right, they are me get carried away. But see it, stadium front, mad love, mad respect. I'm out.